How to upgrade Windows 10 to 11 on unsupported PC. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can upgrade Windows 10 to 11 on unsupported PC. Now, the first thing you want to know is Windows 11 installation requirements are Windows 11 ISO file, fly by 11 software, and backup data on your data. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up any web browser, then search Windows 11 ISO download. Click on Download Windows option. Now you want to scroll down a bit. Here you will find the option of Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Go ahead and click on the drop down and select Windows 11. Now click on Download Now. Here you want to select the product language, so go ahead and select that. I'm going to select English. Now click on the confirm option. Now it will take some time. Here it says link is valid for 24 hours. Click on the 64-bit download option. Now it might take some time for this file to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, locate the folder. Then you want to paste Windows 11 ISO file on your desktop. Then open up any web browser and here you want to search for Fly by 11. Then click on this very first website. Here you want to select the latest version. Then click on this zip file to download it. Now locate the folder. Now you want to extract all of this. Select your location and then simply extract it. Now open the Fly by 11 option and run Fly by 11 from desktop. Click on Run Anyway. Now click Start Upgrade Now option. Now drag and drop Windows 11 ISO on the box. Here it says Windows 11 installation can now proceed. Click on OK. Now follow the on-screen prompts to install it. Click on Next, then click on the Install option. Now you will get this blue screen that says Installing Windows Server. After it is completed, Windows 11 upgrade will be successfully installed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.